Hey guys, it's Christina Halfacre with Remax Paradise, and I am here on Carondelette Lane in Orange Beach, checking out a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It is super cute. It's got gutters on the front. Let's go ahead and come on in. It's got a gray LVP floor. Furnishings are really nice. It's kind of a light blue. I'm pretty sure this is sea salt color that's on the walls here. Really large living room that leads into an open dining room. We've got a little bar set up over here on the side. Really big table. Looking into the kitchen. It's a bit of a galley kitchen, but it's still pretty big. It's got not Formica countertops, but they're not granite either. I'm trying to think of the name of this material. You don't see it that often anymore. White appliances, stainless steel refrigerator. Does have an ice maker. What makes this house so unique is that it still has its short-term rental license, which is really nice. It's currently being used as a rental. Has projections that could get it up to $35,000 to $40,000. Dishwasher. It's a little weird. It's up high. We've got a split bedroom plan where we've got 2 bedrooms on one side of the house and then 1 bedroom on the other side. Really large bedroom in here. There's a lot of big furniture in here. This is a queen size bed, but you could easily fit a king in here. You could actually fit multiple beds in this bedroom if you wanted to. We've got this side over here as well. This could be a really nice bunk room. It does have a bathroom. Original vanity. The original, it looks like probably the original shower insert as well. It's got 2 seats in here. It's a really cool, interesting house. In addition to a smaller closet towards the front of the room, it's also got a pretty large, they're using this as an owner's closet currently. I don't know what, there we go. Light just needed to warm up, I think. And then there is another closet up towards the front of the room. Right here for your guests to use. There is just a little slight dip in the floor right there, but the house is on piers, so that's normal. We're not on big stilts, but we are on piers. Going into the second bedroom. There's a queen size bed in here, and I think if you were to angle it a little differently, you could definitely put a king size bed in here as well. Very cute furnishings. Closet behind the door. It's a normal size closet. Same sea salt colors throughout the house, which is really nice. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. Take a little pit stop on the AC closet. I cannot see a year that this was manufactured, but it does look really big and it looks very clean. So it's been well maintained. Go ahead and check out the bathroom over here. Pretty big bathroom. You step in through here and then you get to the shower where there is a bathtub. They have new fixtures in here. This might be a new surround, but I'm pretty sure it's original. Everything looks pretty good. Go into the 3rd bedroom here. Again, nice big room, lots of space. You could definitely put like a set of bunk beds right there in that nook. Be cool. But there's also a queen size bed, which I would replace with a king because there's definitely room for it. And then let's check out the backyard because it has a pool. Just right off the kitchen. Got a really nice deck out here. Zero maintenance backyard with all this sand. And then a nice, although it's a little small, still pretty cool to have an above ground pool. Looks like your lot goes back even further behind there, which is nice. You have a really big lot. So if you actually wanted to build something later on, you could. Coming down here, we got a little paver patio with a nice grill area. A big double gate, so if you wanted to store a boat back here, you easily could. I stand in the corner so you can see just how large this deck is. Really unique, very cool. There's gutters on the back end of the house too. I just don't believe there's any on the side. Metal roof, stick-built house. Very cool. Lots of potential here. I would rent it out for the weekend. Be a fun place to stay. I love that there's no popcorn ceiling in the main area. There is in the bedrooms. But overall, super cool, cute little house. Let me know what you think about it.